Okay students, how are you? We will discuss chapter 3. It is about decimals. So what is a decimal? Decimal means it is a fraction. Sometimes you have seen the numbers like this, 5.18. This is a decimal number, and decimal means in this number you can see a small dot, okay? Between two numbers there may be digits or the numbers on the left and right hand side of the decimal. So to the left of this point we have a whole number, and to the right we have a fraction. Now it is 5.18. Do not speak 5.18, never. आपको कभी भी 5.18 नहीं बोलना है, 5.18 ही आप बोलेंगे. So after decimal we have to speak the digits separately one by one. Now we come to the point. In this video we will discuss about the addition and subtraction of the decimal numbers, and we will compare, means we will find the biggest or smallest decimal number, and sometimes we need to arrange the given numbers as ascending or descending order. So we start exercise 3.1 and we will finish this exercise because it's very easy. So exercise 3.1, first question. I will tell you the properties regarding decimal numbers with the questions one by one. So convert each of the following decimals into a fraction in lowest form. Okay, so be sincere, look at the board and listen carefully. First part, it says convert each of the following decimals into a fraction in lowest form. You know the meaning of fractions in lowest form. किसी भी फ्रैक्शन को हम उसमें जो न्यूमरेटर्स और डिनोमिनेटर्स होते हैं उनको हम डिवाइड करते हैं किसी एक नंबर से, तो जो फ्रैक्शंस मिलेगी हमको वो सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में होगी. एंड how to convert a decimal into a fraction form? See, 0.8. Now see the number of digits to the right of decimal. It is decimal and there is only one digit. यहाँ पे सिर्फ 8 लिखा है. How many digits? One digit is there. So we write 8 upon 10 because there is only one zero in 10. तो जितनी भी digits decimal के right side में होगी उतने ही zeros हम यहाँ include करेंगे. If there are two digits we write 100. Okay, now this decimal is converted into fraction form, and in the simplest form it can be divided by 2. 2 4 ja 8, 2 5 ja 10. So the simplest form is 4.5, means 0.8 can be written as 4.5. Second part, 2.25. Again there are two digits to the right of decimal, so we write 225 upon 100. Okay, and you can see that it is divisible by 25. So 25 4 ja 100 and 25 9 ja 225. If you remember the table it will be easier, otherwise you have to write the table and check for the division. Next part, there are total 5 parts, so I solve any 3. Next is fourth part. Okay, it is 0.0375. Again there are 4 digits to the right of this decimal place, so we have to write 0375 upon, there are 4 digits, so we write 4 zeros with 1, it is 10,000. Now divide this number by 5 or 25. So if you have a practice and you remember the tables it will be easier, but you start with 25 because we know that it is divisible by 25. तो हमें इसको चेक करना है, and we don't need to write this 0. Okay, because a number cannot start with 0. So 375 को अगर हम 25 से डिवाइड करें तो 25 1 जा 25, there is 12, and 25 5 जा 125. So this is divisible by 25 15 times. Okay, So we can write 15 and it is 25 4 100, remaining 4 zeros we can write. Now it is 15 upon 400. Again check if it is divided by 15 both the numbers or not. So try to divide by 5. Okay, 5 3 ja 15, 5 8 ja 40 and it is 0. So the answer is 3 upon 80. Second question, write each of the following as a decimal. So I am going to tell you a very short method regarding this question. First question is 29 upon 10. Listen, there is 1 0. Okay, 10 में कितने zeros होते हैं? 1. So we will write the decimal after one digit from the right hand side. It is 29. From the right hand side, count the number of digits. This is 1. So write a decimal after 9. Second, 15 and 1 upon 8. Okay. Now it can be converted into an improper fraction. 15 8 ja 120 plus 1 121 upon 8. You can divide 121 by 8. Okay, but okay, just solve by this method. 8 1 ja 8, 4 and 1. So it is 8 5 ja 40, 1 and 0. Write a decimal. 8 1 ja 8, 2 and 0. 8 2 ja 16, 4 and 0. 8 5 ja 40. So the answer is 15.125. If we divide 121 by 8, we get 15.125. So answer is 15.125. This is the answer. And second method, okay, that will be easier. आपको ये याद रखना होगा कि 1 upon 8 की वैल्यू क्या होती है. So first we have to separate 15 and 1 upon 8. I am going to tell you second method. It can be written as 15 plus 1 upon 8. हम बीच में यहाँ पे प्लस साइन लगाएंगे. Both are equal. Now remember the value of 1 upon 8, that is 0.125. Means if you divide 1 by 8, you get this value, and finally add both these, you get 15.125. Okay. Third part. Third is 23 and 1 upon 25. Now again, no need to convert this into improper fraction. You will multiply both these and will add to 1. So take a second approach. It is 234 plus 1 upon 25. Okay, हमें यहाँ पे बीच में प्लस साइन लिखना है. Now you have to remember that what is the value of 1 upon 25. आप 1 को 25 से डिवाइड करो और चेक करो कि क्या वैल्यू आती है. वो आएगी 0.04 and finally add both these, you will get 234.04. So third question is add. Now first part 4.56, 0.8, 32.5. So listen carefully, this is very important. आपको चेक करना है, सबसे पहले आपको ऐड करना है, करेक्ट. देन हमें इन नंबर्स को इस तरह से अरेंज करना है कॉलम वाइज. उससे पहले हमें इनको लाइक डेसिमल्स में कन्वर्ट करना है. व्हाट इज अ लाइक डेसिमल? इफ द नंबर ऑफ डिजिट्स आफ्टर डेसिमल इज सेम, number of digits is same, then they are like decimals. So we will add in this way. 4.56, there are 2 digits after decimal, there is only 1 digit, so we convert it into like fraction, sorry like decimal. इसके आगे हम 0 मेंशन करेंगे तो ये होगा 0.80, not 80. So number of digits after decimal are same. It is 32.5, so it is 32.5. Again we convert into like decimals. Now you can easily add it. Okay, put a plus sign. It is 6, 5 plus 5 10 and plus 8 18, 1 carry, 5 plus 2 7 and this is 3. So the answer is 37.5. 86. .05 and 0.004. You don't need to speak this 0. You can just speak 0.05, 0.004. Now see, there are 2 digits after decimal. There are 3 digits. So they are not like decimals. Now convert these into like decimals. So it is 0.004 and it can be written as 0.050. So convert these 2 digits into 3. You can write a 0 after the number. Now these are the like decimals. Add these 4, 5, 0. So the answer is 0.054. Third part. Third is 13.225 and 9.25. So again they are not like decimals, 2 digits and 3 digits. So convert this into like decimal. So after 2 and 5 you can write a 0, and now both these decimals are like decimals. Add them 5, 7, 4 and it is 22. So the answer is 22.475. So fourth question is subtract. Okay, subtract. First part 8.752 minus 4.9. We have to convert into like decimals जैसा हमने लास्ट क्वेश्चन में किया था. तो 8.752 और इसमें से माइनस करेंगे हम 4. This is 9 only, so we write 2 zeros. Now perform the subtraction. 7 minus 9 not possible. Take borrow. It becomes 17. So 17 minus 9 is 8 and 6 minus 4 is 2. Answer is 2.852. Okay, it becomes 7. 7 minus 4, 3. So by mistake I have written 6. Now this is the answer, 3.852. Okay students. Second part. It is 23.8 minus 0.25. So write 23.8 and 0.25. Convert both the decimals into like decimals. There is only 1 digit after decimal and there are 2 digits. So write 0.80. Now you can subtract it easily. 0 minus 5 not possible. Take a borrow. It becomes 10. It is 5. 7 minus 2 is 5. This is 3. This is 2. So the answer is 23.55. Okay. Here I solve third part. 100 minus 36.8. 100 minus 36.48. So there are no decimal. Okay. It is a whole number. Now write 2 zeros after decimal because there are 2 digits after decimal. Then write 36.48. Finally perform the subtraction. As I told you, if there are continuous zeros, you can take borrow from the last digit. So it becomes 0. Now convert all these into 9 and it is converted into 10. 10 minus 8, 2. It is 5. Write decimal. It is 3. It is 6. So the answer is 36.52. 36.52. Okay, this question is solved. Note it down. Simplify. The values are 68.5 minus 21.45 plus 26.2 minus 13.46. Okay, just add the positive values. So 68.5 plus 26.2 minus 21.45 minus 13.46. Regroup the numbers. Collect the positive values and negative values together, then add these. So you can do in your rough copy. 5 plus 2, 7, 6 plus 8, 14, 1 carry, 3 plus 6, 9, minus, add these, 6 plus 5, 11, 1 carry, 5 plus 4, 9 and 3 plus 1, 4 and 2 plus 1 3. Now perform the subtraction. So you can see that these are not like fractions. So convert into like fractions. Make 7 as 70 and write 34.91 and perform the subtraction. You can take borrow, it becomes 10, it is 9. 6 minus 9 not possible, take borrow, it becomes 16. 7, 3 minus 4 not possible, it becomes 8 and it is 13. 13 minus 4 9 and 8 minus 3 5. So the answer is 59.79. Fifth part, first question, 59.79. Now second part. So second part is you have to follow the same method, okay, from page number 40. Now second part, second or third, okay, I take third part. So after regrouping the numbers we get 34.26 plus 3.04 minus 15.029. Now add both these. So it is 6 plus 4 10, 1 carry and it is 3 and it is 37 minus 15.029. You can see these are not like fractions. So write the bigger number 37.30. Now write the smaller number as 029 and write a 0 after 30 because there are 3 digits, there are only 2 digits. Now perform the subtraction. So convert this into 2, it is 9 and it becomes 10 because they are continuous zeros. So it is 1, 9 minus 2 7, 2 minus 0 2, 7 minus 5 2 and 3 minus 1 also 2. So the answer is 22.271. It is third part of fifth question, 22.271. Note it down. Next and last question is sixth question. Sixth question is very interesting. We have to write the numbers in ascending order. So you know the meaning of ascending order, students. I am going to solve first part only. 4.6, 0.22, 24.13 and 20.05. So listen carefully. We have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. Ascending means from smaller to bigger. Okay. Now how to check the numbers which is smaller or which is bigger? So no need to write this one. Now listen carefully, focus at the board. हमें सबसे स्मॉलर नंबर, स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर पता करना है. स्मॉलेस्ट कौन सा होगा? Listen, in a decimal number there are two parts. The left side part is the integer part and right side part is called fraction part. तो जिस नंबर का इंटीजर पार्ट बिगर होता है वो नंबर भी बिगर होगा और जिसका इंटीजर पार्ट स्मॉलर होता है वो नंबर भी स्मॉलर होता है. सी इट इज 4. यू डोंट नीड टू मेक द सर्कल. ओके, इट इज 0, 24 and 20. Don't make the circle in your fair copy. Understood? So which is smaller? This 0 is smaller. It means 0.22 is the smallest number. Which is the next bigger integer than 0? Next bigger is 4. So the next higher decimal number is 4.6. Which is the next bigger integer? 20. So we write 20.05 and the highest will be 24. It is 24.13. Do not speak 24.13. It is 24.13. Okay students, so the answer of sixth question of exercise 3.1, 0.22, 4.6, 20.05 and 24.13. Okay students, now we have finished this exercise and the second part of this question विल बी सोल्व इन द सेम वे। यही कॉन्सेप्ट आपको यूज करना है। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप यू एंजॉयड। ऑल द बेस्ट।